Hello friends, YouTube channel. Here we have the topic digestive system. So firstly we will discuss the diagram of human digestive system, which consists of different parts: esophagus, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, duodenum, anal, rectum. These all are the part of digestive system. Here we have some key points: digestion process, digestion of food into different parts, digestion of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and absorption of food. Digestion in mouth. Digestion is a process of breakdowning complex food material into simpler ones. The process of digestion starts in buccal cavity or in mouth. Teeth crush and grind the complex food material. In stomach, an enzyme is present is called as salivary amylase, which also called ptyalin. Salivary amylase digests the carbohydrates. 25% of starch is digested by salivary amylase. The food, firstly, the food mixed with saliva. Saliva consists of enzyme salivary amylase. Salivary amylase work on carbohydrates, and 25% of starch is digested by salivary amylase. Now, food material enter into the stomach for the further digestion process through esophagus. Esophagus is a long tube through which food enter into stomach from mouth. Here we have digestion in stomach. Food enter into stomach. Stomach is a bag-like structure. In stomach, the wall of stomach secretes some gastric juices like HCl, pepsin, trypsin, and renin. These all are gastric juices secreted by the wall of stomach. HCl plays an important role in process of digestion. HCl provide acidic medium to the food material for the process of digestion. HCl also activates the enzymes like pepsin, trypsin, renin, etc. HCl also plays an important role in killing the bacteria enter into the stomach with the food material. HCl also active the enzyme pepsinogen into pepsin. The enzyme pepsin works on proteins which break into peptones and protease. Renin works on milk products. Renin converts milk protein casein into calcium paracaseinate. Now, digestion in small intestine. From stomach, food enter into small intestine. In small intestine, the two secretion reaches. The first one is bile juice from liver, and the second one is pancreatic juice from pancreas. The bile juice and pancreatic juice works on fats and break into small globules. The intestinal juices also secreted by intestine, which convert carbohydrates, proteins, fats into their monomer units. Here we have small intestine, and the digestion of carbohydrate takes place in small intestine. The process of digestion completed in small intestine. The food material enter into the large intestine. The process of absorption of food material takes place in large intestine, and the useful material supply into bloodstream, and the waste material excrete out through excreta. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe, like, share my YouTube channel. Thank you.